Check out this specialty Mustang here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2022 Ford Mustang GT500 Heritage Edition, 2-passenger coupe, 33 miles on this car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Brittany blue metallic with ebony leather Recaro seats. Interior seats are ventilated and heated. Take a look at the front fascia grille. This vehicle does have the carbon fiber track pack, an $18,500 option on this car, as well as a technology package. Of course, underneath the hood, 5.2 liter supercharged V8, 760 horse, 625 pound-feet of torque. Over the top, Wimbledon white stripes. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. Or you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, you know it comes with that carbon fiber package. There they are, the 20-inch carbon fiber finished wheels with locking kit. Those big Brembo brakes up front. Look at that. We're going to start it up, take a look underneath the hood, check out the interior a little closer. This car is like it came out of the wrapper, obviously with that kind of miles on it. Coming around to the rear, an exposed carbon fiber wing. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Let me go through some of the things on this car. I'll just kind of hit on some of the highlights. I'm not going to hit on very many compared to what this car is equipped with. You'll be able to see the window sticker. There's also kind of a show board or a placard. We'll have a picture of that so you can look at all the options. I'm sure if you're looking at this car, you know all about them yourself. This particular one, 7-speed, Tremec, dual clutch, automatic, transmission with paddle shifters. Does have the MagneRide dampening system on it. Voice activated touchscreen with nav system. Of course, rear independent suspension, among some of the other things I went through, and many, many more. UniqueClassicCars.com as we can check out all the still pictures. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay. Of course, this car would have the rear seat delete with the 2-passenger seating. Let's look at this interior. Of course, all your modern amenities, it goes without saying, your windows, locks, mirrors. Absolutely beautiful interior with the Recaro seats. Got a leather suede combination. Extremely comfortable seats. The wrap steering wheel. 33.3 miles on it at this moment. It will be moved around our indoor showroom. That's all it's going to get moved. There will not be a driving video on this vehicle, so if you're sticking around to the end, sorry, we're going to keep the miles down. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Seeing here it run, like I said, we're going to take a look at the engine bay also. There you can see the dash, again 33.3 miles. It's a touch screen with a navigation system. Of course, your dual climate control, your modes, exhaust, steering wheel controls, you name it on these. And here is your number, chassis number 812. GT500. Obviously, Heritage Edition, the beautiful Brittany blue metallic. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. I know, it'd be a lot more fun to have it out on the track and listen to it run. Sorry. We'll leave that up to the next owner if they'd like to do that. All right, pause this 1 second, at least pop the hood for you, take a look underneath the hood, check that out. We'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Get a look underside the hood, heat extractor hood, of course. And there it is. 5.2 liters, supercharged. The V8, 760 horsepower, 625 pound-feet of torque. There's Ford Performance strut tower brace. Those are adjustable strut towers. Struts, should say. Also, signature of the hand-built engine for this car. Again, what you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it. Once again, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Basically kept in climate controlled indoor storage since new. 2022 GT500 Heritage Edition 2-passenger coupe. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.